Hey, my pretty girlies. So I decided to do something different today. So instead of installing my own wig, I decided to book me an appointment to a salon. So I decided to go to Laced by Marquis to get a glueless wig install. So I'm going to be using this Best Lace wig, which is a 13 by 6 lace frontal wig for today's glueless wig install. So if you're interested in how Marquis installed this glueless wig, you already know what you need to do. Keep on watching. Let's get into it. Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be installing this 13 by 6 HD lace frontal wig from BestLaceWig. Now take a look at this wig. This wig has already come pre-plucked. The knots have already been bleached and the knots on this wig is super duper small. So I can already tell by looking at the lace and the hairline on this wig, I'm going to get a really nice, flawless, supernatural install. This wig is also going to be one of those wigs where I don't really have to do a whole lot to get a super natural install. The texture on this wig is a body wave, I want to say. Check the description bar on that, but 18 inches. I feel like this is going to be a little bit longer, but nevertheless though, I think it's going to be a great install. So let's go ahead and get into the install. Alright, so of course I am back in Marquis chair and he is going to start off this install by doing the ball cap method and going ahead and installing the wig. Starting off by making sure the wig fits my head perfectly. At first we kind of started off with a little bit of a struggle at first, but right here he is just making sure everything fits side by side, and then he's going to go in and make the adjustments in the back and then cut off the sides and start securing the wig down. Now this is going to be a glueless install. As y'all know, I don't do any glue on my wigs because I like to be able to take my wigs down, and I also don't like to have any damaged edges that come with glue installs. So yeah. And by the way, this was a really quick install because this wig came pretty much ready to install with the pre-plucked hairline. The lace was already bleached. Only thing Marquis really had to do was style this wig and install it. He did go in and of course like flatten the hairline, just to make sure like the roots in the wig was actually flat itself, because that is the key to a natural install anyways. But yeah girl, like this install went by super quick. Like I was not in his chair all day, which I do not like. So for today's install, I want to do a middle part with curls. So I don't want to do any baby hairs. I really want to focus in on the clean hairline for this wig install. So Marquis is going to do some very light layers, pretty much like framing my face, and a little bit of layers in the back. And then I'm going to do some curls. So it's going to be a real cute, simple install with some fluffy curls basically. Okay, y'all, this wig is so pretty and so perfect. Marquis just loves this wig. Like, he was so in love with the curls on this wig. He loved the simple fact that as he was curling this hair was holding a curl so good. I really wasn't able to see it too much because, of course, he kept me away from the mirror, so I wasn't able to see it, of course, until like the final look or whatever. But he was in love with this, and he loved the simple fact that it was so easy to blend the hairline into my skin without really doing anything to this wig. So like I said earlier, I was going for like a simple look. I didn't want to do any baby hairs. I wanted a very soft natural look, and it was really giving me like '07 2010 Kim K look. So yeah, y'all. And this is pretty much the final look, y'all. I love this install. Like, look at how clean the hairline looks on this wig. It literally looks like it is growing from my scalp. And like I said earlier, this is definitely giving like Kim K 2010 vibes. The curls are so soft, so bouncy. Love how I have like these soft bangs going on in the front. This is like so cute. I love this install. I'm definitely going to have this install in for the next couple of days. Again, keep in mind this is a glueless wig. This wig comes with a pre-plucked hairline. The knots have already been bleached. You do not have to do a glue install with this wig. Yeah, it's a 6 by 13, 13 by 6, 18-inch lace frontal wig. Coupon code will be below in the description bar. I also have marquee booking information in case you are in the Winder location. Y'all already know. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you girls in the next wig install video. Bye.